job, guys.
Thank you.
No problem. Good job.
I think just the people, which every affiliate will say, is what makes us unique. I think we have a diverse group of people in terms of age, gender, ethnic group. Well, of course. We're not all men, but that's a given. Gender, but you know, just backgrounds and ethnic groups. I like to call us the Benetton of CrossFit. We got everything at our box. Oh, we got one more. Showed up.
CrossFit has pretty much infested my entire life. So I discovered it in 2006, and I've said this before, and I'll say it again. Like I don't really remember the person that I was prior to finding CrossFit. So it's it's basically become such a strong part of my life and who I am that it's it goes without saying that it's just it's hard to put into words, I guess.
I found it through a friend actually. She introduced me to it. I liked it. I have a little bit of a military background. I'm a teacher, so I'm a very structured person. I like the healthy style of living that comes with CrossFit, the family. I'm very happy to be part of this family.
Well, as somebody at work, I used to box and I kind of got out of it and wanted something else competitive, and one of the guys that I work with found it and kind of was like, I want to start competing, and joined an affiliate, and it's kind of been all over since then. Kind of live at the gym, I think.
Looking for a challenge. That's what I was looking for. I just needed a daily challenge. I found that, and a better way to improve my life just in general. I love it, and now the team just continually pushes me to get better every day.
Well, I originally started CrossFit to help me with track and field, and now it's just consumed my whole life. I mean, this is my second family, and I spend all my time there even when I'm not working out, and it's just helped me be an all-around better athlete.
I always worked out, and if you're going to work out, you might as well have a great time doing it, and CrossFit's just the most fun way to do it. And meeting all these guys has just it's been a pleasure. It's been awesome.
I would do for these people what I would do for my own family, and it's just a good feeling to walk into a place like that.
Just somewhere where it doesn't matter what your background is. You can come from any type of physical, activity background, or if you were on a sports team, whatever. It's all about hard work and your work ethic and getting the job done the right way, and that's what it's about.
When you sweat with somebody and spend time on a barbell with somebody, that environment creates like somehow stronger bonds that maybe I could get it somewhere else, but up until I found CrossFit in 2006, I hadn't found that yet, and not the lasting friendships. Like, these are my friends, these are my family. Outside of them, I don't know what I would do. So really, they're the ones that I call on, whether it's for like a workout or just to talk. So CrossFit's changed my life because it gave me a second family.